Welcome back to our Jamf Teacher video series. Jamf Teacher helps you guide students on their iPads by managing apps, websites, and restrictions during class. In this video, we're looking at common issues you may run into and how to quickly fix them so you can keep students on track and learning. Incorrect web link. Sometimes when you send a link to students, it just doesn't open. Most of the time, that's because there's a small typo or error in the URL. The solution is simple. Edit your lesson or restriction, check your web links, and update anything that's incorrect. Then resend it to students. Missing hidden links. If the link looks correct, but the website or app still won't load, there might be a background link that Jamf needs permission for as well. Adding those hidden URLs will usually fix the issue. If you're not sure what they are, reach out to your tech department. Elkhart teachers can access a list of approved links, including hidden ones, by opening Safari and going to the help desk. Sign in with your ECS credentials, search for Jamf, and open the article called Jamf Apps/Links. Student iPads have restrictions you didn't start. Every now and then, you might notice that students appear to be restricted even though you never applied a Jamf restriction. This often happens when another teacher has started a restriction, but the timer didn't clear it. To fix this, tap Classes in the sidebar, select the class you're working with, and then tap Clear Restrictions. Confirm, tap Done, and the student iPads will be back to normal. You restricted an app, but it's not showing on student iPads. This one is very common. Usually it means students don't have the app installed yet. To prevent this issue, always include Self-Service, our app store for students and teachers, when you apply app restrictions. That way, students can download the app they need, and once it's installed, Jamf will automatically keep them focused on it. Quick tip: if a student installs an app from Self-Service that's not part of your Jamf restriction, they may see the app on their screen, but they won't be able to open it or use it. Best practices with Jamf. When Jamf restrictions are active, watch students to see how they're interacting with the apps and websites you've restricted. If you notice someone struggling to access the right tool or accidentally navigating away, you can help redirect them quickly. Every class is different. If you find a restriction is too strict or too loose, you can modify it on the fly. For example, you might allow access to a research website while keeping games blocked, or give a student temporary access to an extra app for a specific project. Sometimes students find ways around restrictions, or apps don't behave as expected. Reporting these issues to the tech department helps keep Jamf running smoothly for everyone. For example, a student might discover a way to open a link that wasn't included in your restrictions, or a website might fail to load because a hidden link wasn't added. Letting the tech department know fixes the problem and prevents it from happening in other classes. Let students know why restrictions are in place and how they help everyone stay focused. A quick explanation like, "This restriction keeps us on task so we can finish our project efficiently," helps students understand and follow the rules. Before students start working, it's helpful to make sure the apps are installed and accessible. This prevents delays and allows you to start your lesson smoothly without interruptions. And that's it. Those are the most common Jamf troubleshooting issues and how to solve them quickly. If this video helped, make sure to check out the rest of our Jamf Teacher series for more tips and tricks to keep your classroom learning focused and running smoothly. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for educator-friendly content.